duck. Meow, said cat. But what she thought was, and you're going to think about this as you say it with the cat voice, I wouldn't waste my time riding a bike. Waste my time riding my bike. Duck pedaled a little faster. He rode past horse.
Hello, horse.
Said duck. Nay, said horse. But what he thought was, and this is your horse voice, you're still not as fast as me, duck, as a horse.
You're still not fast as me, Duck.
Duck rang his bell as he rode toward Chicken.
Ding, 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 ding. Hello, chicken.
Said Duck. Cluck, cluck, said Chicken. But what she thought was, get ready, watch where you're going, Duck, like a chicken. Then Duck rode past Goat.
Hello, goat.
Said Duck. Said Goat. But what he thought was, in your goat voice, I'd like to eat that bite.